In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot issues on your own using our customer service page. If you're experiencing a problem and you're looking for a quick way to resolve it, our customer service page is an excellent place to start. Not only does it provide a wealth of resources and information, but it also empowers you to find solutions without having to wait for assistance from a representative. First, you'll want to navigate to our customer service page on our website. You can find this located typically at the top or bottom of our homepage. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see that it's designed to be user-friendly, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding your way around. As you explore the page, you might notice a search bar. This is your go-to tool for finding answers quickly. Simply type in a few keywords related to your issue, and a list of relevant resources, articles, or FAQs should appear almost instantly. Be specific but concise with your search terms to get the most targeted results. If you're not sure what to search for, or if you prefer exploring topics, the page often offers categorized sections. These are great if you want to browse through common issues or popular topics. Clicking through these categories can lead you to articles, guides, and sometimes instructional videos that can help you understand and address your concern. Another feature on the customer service page that you'll find incredibly useful is the FAQ section. This area compiles answers to the most common questions and concerns that our customers have. Chances are someone else has had the same issue, and the solution might be right here ready for you. In addition to these resources, the customer service page might also offer downloadable manuals or guides if your issue is more technical or device-related. Take advantage of these comprehensive documents. They often provide step-by-step instructions and diagrams that help clarify and solve technical problems. Should you find that you can't resolve your issue using the online resources, don't worry. The customer service page will also have direct links to contact options, like live chat or phone support. You can easily initiate a conversation with a customer service agent who can offer further assistance. In conclusion, using the customer service page is an efficient way to troubleshoot and possibly resolve issues on your own. It's convenient, saves you time, and puts a host of information right at your fingertips. By knowing how to navigate and utilize the resources available, you're well equipped to handle many challenges independently. If further assistance is needed, a customer service agent is just a chat or call away. So go ahead, explore the page, and take control of your service experience.